Hi guys, my name is Daphne, this is Rapha, and we are gonna show you how we use and love Marbotic. So Marbotic is like a stamps that you can use on your iPad. The one we have are the numbers, and Rapha's gonna show you how he uses it. Okay, what number is that?
3.
Good job.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And the next one is number
4.
Okay.
Yeah, for this side.
4.
Activities to
So we have
play.
different activities that they can select. Okay, select which one do you want this time?
This one.
Okay.
What a wonderful day to go fishing in the marble lake. Move the
Wow.
fish into Mr. Finger's buckets.
Move the fish.
What? No. That's a shell. 1,
Okay.
2. Those are shells, they're fish.
I know those are shells.
Very good. These are wrong. 1, I want the catfish, not 3. Starfish or shells. Very good. If you see creatures, it's different.
Okay. How about that? What's that?
Oh, aquarium again.
A coral again.
Aquarium is called shell.
1.
That's what.